Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Wix Studio versus Framer. So, which is better? So, first thing that we should do here is we're going to talk about the pricing. Okay, so let's start with the Wix Studio. So, right here on this tab, I have the Wix Studio, and on the other tab, I also have the Framer. So, for the pricing of Wix Studio, so let me just click on the pricing. And as you can see over here, we can also find the Wix Studio benefits. So let us focus on the pricing first, okay? So it has 14-day money back guarantee. So right here we have the Plus, Elite, Standard, Basic, and the Enterprise. So as you can see, the Plus is the recommended one. So for this one is we have to pay for about $32 per month. Okay, so when you subscribe to this plan, it has these features. So we have 120 gigabytes of media storage, 10 site collaboration, and 10,000 CMS items and more. Okay, so for the standard is we had to pay for the $20 per month, and it has 50 gigabyte media storage, 5 site collaborations, and more. And for the elite is we have to pay $149 per month. But as you can see, the features are upgraded than the plus, standard, and the basic. And for basic, you just have to pay for $12 per month. Okay. Now let's go here on the Framer. So let's go to the pricing section. And as you can see, for Framer, they have a free plan. Okay, but it only has this feature. So for hobby sites, Framer domain, and the Framer banner. So you just have to click on the get started option. For the mini, the cost of this is $5 per site per month. So we have for simple sites, custom domain, home, and 404, and more. For the basic is $15 per site per month, and it includes all of these features. Now, for the larger size, I suggest you subscribe to the Pro one. Okay, so you have to pay for $30 per site per month. And for the enterprise, if you want to get this, is you just have to click on the learn more, so you'd be able to subscribe to this one. Okay, so that's it for the pricing. Now let us proceed to the target audience and use cases. So let's start with the Wix Studio. So primarily targets small to medium-sized businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals who want an easy-to-use platform with extensive template. So drag and drop design and a focus on e-commerce, blogging, and general website creation. So of course, Wix Studio is a good choice. Now for the Framer, it focuses on designers and developers who are looking to create highly interactive, animation rich websites and prototypes. So it is more suited for creative professionals who need advanced customization and code level control. So that is for the Framer. It mainly focuses on designers and developers. Next is the ease of use. So for Wix Studio, it is very user friendly. Even for beginners, it doesn't require any coding knowledge, making it accessible for users who want to build a website quickly and easily. So for example, as you can see over here, you just have to simply go to the create a new site option, and then you can create with a template. So you just have to click on Studio Template and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and you'd be able to see these different templates that you can use for your website. Now for the Framer, so it has a steeper learning curve, so particularly for those unfamiliar with design tools. So it requires some knowledge of design principles and basic coding to fully utilize its features. So as you can see over here, it is more complicated than the Wix Studio. So if you are talking about ease of use, I think Wix Studio is a good choice. Okay, so next one is the design flexibility. So let's start with the Wix Studio. So for Wix Studio, it offers a wide range of templates and an intuitive drag and drop editor that is user-friendly but somewhat limited in customization for advanced design needs. So as you can see over here, for example, this one, so you just have to look for a template and then just have to preview it. And if you think this template is a good one, then you just have to click on edit this template. Then right here at the left side, we have these different options that we can use. We have the add elements option, we have the layers and more. So you just have to click on these tools and then you can now start creating your website using the Wix Studio. Okay, so for example, this one, we also have text. So all of the things that you need are here on Wix. And when we talked about the design flexibility of the framer, so it provides greater flexibility with advanced animation tools, so interactions and design capabilities, so allowing users to create custom designs from scratch without being tied to templates. But it is more complicated. So if you don't have prior knowledge about editing tools or coding to improve your design, so I suggest you just have to choose Wix Studio for the design flexibility. Okay, so for example, this one, I can show you the basic things that you can do with Framer. So you can add your media, and at your right side, you can start customizing this one and start designing your website. And finally, for the features and capabilities for Wix Studio, it offers a comprehensive suite for tools for SEO, marketing, e-commerce, and content management. So it's a more all-in-one solution for running a business or personal website. And for the features and capabilities of the Framer, so while it offers advanced design tools, it is more focused on prototyping and interaction design rather than being a full-fledged content management system or CMS. So it lacks some of the broader business tools found in Wix Studio. So which is better of the two? For Wix Studio, better for users who want a straightforward, all-in-one platform for building a website with minimal technique know-how. It's ideal for small business owners, bloggers, and anyone needing a functional, visually appealing website without deep customization needs. But for the Framer, it is better suited for designers and developers who need advanced design capabilities and interactive features. So it's ideal for creating bespoke, highly customized website or prototypes, especially for creative projects. So the choice between the two depends on your specific needs, design skills, and the complexity of the website you intend to build. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.